Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. So, welcome back to another not so makeupy voiceover. This is going to be episode number 5. I do have a link to the playlist down below, so if you want to catch up on those, it's going to be down there in the description box. First, want to explain what this is. So, it's basically me doing my makeup in the background. As you can see, the video's going on, but I am not going to be like mentioning what I'm doing or describing what makeup products I'm using. This is like it's like a voiceover, but it has nothing to do with what's going on in the video. So if that interests you, go ahead and keep on watching. Let's start off with the quote. So the quote for today is, "If your dreams don't scare you, they are too small," by Richard Branson. So the next thing is song recommendation, and the one that I chose for this month is called Bossy by Kellis featuring Too Short, and that song is so empowering. If you're ever like feeling low or like with no confidence or whatever, you should definitely listen to that song. It will lift your spirits and make you feel like a boss, and it's just a really great song. Definitely a recommend. Next thing is movie recommendation, and this month I chose a movie that I actually stumbled upon yesterday when I was watching Netflix, and it's called About Time. It's really cute. It has to do with like time travel, but it's like a love story. It's such a cute movie. This movie, the actress that comes out is Rachel McAdams. She comes out in so many great movies, as well as Margaret Robbie, and she's actually the one that played Harley Quinn. She comes out in that movie as well. Both of them are amazing actresses, as well as the male lead. He was really amazing. I didn't write his name down, but also like all of them did a great job. I definitely recommend you watch it. It's on Netflix. And for show recommendation, it's also a show that I'm actually watching right now as we speak. It's The Fosters. The whole series is on Netflix. That was a series that I was watching when it was on Freeform. And it's just an amazing series. It's really great, and it's really like attention grabbing. Like it just keeps you watching. So as for life update, I wanted to say that tomorrow is actually my sister's birthday. So happy birthday to Samantha. Send her some love. Show her some love in the comments down below. She's going to be 21 years old. The next thing is that 2 weeks ago we actually went to Disneyland. It was so much fun. Like you pay for 1 day, but you get 3 days, and it's really amazing. There's no blackout dates. It's so fun. I can't wait to go to California Adventures. I haven't been there in such a long time. The next thing is this past weekend we actually went to this restaurant. It's called the Strand House, and we got this chili verde burrito. Oh my god, it was so good. Like 10 out of 10. If you ever like stumble across that restaurant, it's like $21 or something, or $19. Such a good burrito. Like I'll put some pictures. It was amazing. I definitely recommend it. The next thing is something that I forgot to mention in my last video. It has to do with Funko Pops. I'm sure you guys collect them. Everybody collects them. They're so cute. They actually have a thing called, it's like a store. It's called the Pop Culture Retail Experience, and it's located in Hollywood. I'll put a couple pictures up, and it's really cool. It's like the pops are like life size, and you could go take pictures. If you want to buy any pops, they have them available there all around the store. It's such a fun experience, especially if you like posting pictures. You know, it's like Instagrammable place. It's just really cool, and definitely recommend you go take your kids. Like it's really fun, and it's actually free. I forgot to mention that. And yeah, it's really fun. The next thing is that I'm gonna show you guys a picture that we took yesterday with me and my boyfriend. We went to Forever 21 slash Riley Rose, because Riley Rose, they moved it into Forever 21. It's not all of them, but most of them. And they actually told us to take a picture like in front of their wall, and it has to do with this giveaway that they're doing. So I want to share that with you guys just in case you guys want to enter. It's going to be over like the 28th or something of this month, or March. I'll put the picture of the paper they gave me. But yeah, really easy. You just take a picture and you tag them. Okay, so now let's get into the movies that I watched since the last time that we spoke. The first one being Birds of Prey, and that's the Harley Quinn. It has like a super long name, but that one was really cute. I really liked it. I give it a 5 out of 5. I definitely recommend it. The next movie was Sonic the Hedgehog. Not my first pick in movies, but my boyfriend Chris did want to watch it. So we ended up going, and it was actually pretty cute. I definitely recommend. You know, it's just cute. Like take your kids if they like Sonic. I thought it was good. The next movie is the last one, and it's called Call of the Wild. It was the one that has to do with the dog, and it's just like you're following the dog along a journey of different like owners and like what he goes through, and he's like a really Smart Dog. And I felt like we got there late. We missed like the first 10 minutes or something, but it was really, really good. Definitely recommend you check that one out as well. So before we move on to Makeupy update and Insta Finds update, I did want to let you guys know that I've been using my Pop Voice microphone a lot with my videos, but I did forget the little part that I need to use it on my phone. So I'm not using it now. So if you hear a lot of weird noises, it's my microphone, like my earphones. I'm using those to do the voiceover right now. So if it sounds a little weird, I am gonna start using my microphone, the one that I bought from Amazon, on the next episode. Yeah, I just feel like it'll sound better. And I have been really liking it. So if you did want to check it out, go ahead. I'll have a link down below. It has like I have nothing to do with the brand or anything, but it was super cheap and it's been working amazing. I feel like my videos sound way better, and it's like less like sound like noise in the background, and I really enjoy it. Definitely check it out if you've been looking for one. Alright, so let's move on to Makeupy and Insta Finds update. So the first thing is a check-in for my palettes. As of the last episode, I told you guys I had a total of 62 palettes, but I think I might have miscalculated. I don't know where I got 62. I actually have a total of 61 palettes, unless I got one more that I didn't write down. I don't know. But I have a total of 61 palettes as we speak right now, so I might have miscalculated, but it's okay. 61 is too high. Hopefully that number will go down throughout the months. Okay, next thing is Unicorn Glow. So if you don't know Unicorn Glow Cosmetics, they actually did send me a couple of their lipsticks, some like gloss and lip tint, and that was really sweet of them. I actually had posted them on one of my finds posts from CVS, and they're like a newer brand to CVS, so if you know, want to check them out, their products are really cute and their lip products are really amazing. I did just post my first IGTV today. I'll have a link down below to my Instagram if you want to check it out. But I was swatching everything that they sent me, and I felt like it was so easy to make an IGTV. I've never done those videos before, but yeah, so check them out. I'll have a link to their Instagram if I can do that down below. The next thing is trying to finish the lipstick of the month. It has been so hard. That bright pink is just it's just not wearable. Like, I just don't want to wear it. I keep avoiding it. So hopefully this next update, which is next week, will be good, and hopefully I was able to finish it. But as of now, I'm a little scared because it's just hard to finish those. The product just lasts forever, so fingers crossed that I finish that up. Okay, so now I feel like I have so much time and I could just breathe and I don't have to rush. Like, I was scared since this video is shorter than my other episodes that I was gonna have to talk really fast and I was gonna be able to talk a lot to you, talk to you guys a lot. So I did want to mention, since we have time, I never really addressed what's going on in the video, but if you can see, I'm wearing some nails. Those are pressed on nails, and I purchased them from this store called Icing at my mall, and I love that store. I love their glue. It lasts forever. I did take them off. It's just like I can with like super long nails like that, but I love using them for videos. Like, that's what I'm hooked on right now, is press on nails. And yeah, so those are the ones I'm wearing today. You guys are going to be seeing some other styles that I purchased like 4 of them yesterday. They were having like a sale that's like buy 3 get 3 free. So yeah, so I'm wearing those. I really enjoyed them. They're so cute. And so now let's move on to some of the Instagram finds that I did for the month of February. Of course, I'm not going to talk about every single find that I posted. There's just too many. But just a couple highlights here and there from some stores that have actually surprised me. They have such amazing things. First of all, let's start with something that I found at Macy's. And it's the Too Faced The Natural Nudes palette. And it actually impressed me because from the pictures, I'm not into palettes that are neutral like that. If anything, I kind of stay away from them, and I play a lot with like colorful shades. And ironically, I'm using just neutrals today in the video. I just noticed that. Oh my gosh. And yeah, so I was surprised at how luxurious the packaging is. Like, it's just really nice. Like, nothing extraordinary. It's not like super flashy or anything, but it is like kind of heavy, and it's just really nice, and the shades in there are so pretty. I suggest, like, if you're into like everyday makeup, if you just stick to like one palette and that's all like you reach for, and you hit pan on like palettes, and you love like neutral looks and you just need something for every single day, I suggest you try it out. I don't know about the formula, but the palette itself, like the colors are really nice and perfect for every day if that's what you're looking for. And that does retail for $45 at Macy's. The next thing is from Ross, and Ross is actually a store that has really surprised me these past couple days that we've been going. The first thing that I found there was Lottie London lipsticks, and it's like a total of like, man, I didn't even see I have a picture on the screen. It comes with a lot of them, and it retailed for $18.99. They're super beautiful. I was super tempted, but I didn't end up picking those up. I have too many lipsticks in my collection, but that is really beautiful, and I really would have liked to try their formula. The next thing is from TJ Maxx. I actually did a whole like post dedicated to lashes from TJ Maxx, and you guys seem to really enjoy that. A lot of people on Instagram seem to love lashes. I haven't been wearing any. I wouldn't purchase them myself, but it was so much fun looking at all the different styles, and they did have like this set that's so beautiful, and it retailed for $14.99. And the lowest that I from the post that I've posted was $4.99 for like a set. So they have really affordable things at TJ Maxx. I definitely recommend you check it out if you've never gone. Surprisingly, there's people that comment on my page, like on my page on my Instagram, that they never go to TJ Maxx, and yeah, they have pretty great things. Okay, so if you're somebody who likes color correcting, at the 99-cent store, they actually have this kit that's like pure like color correctors of all kinds, and I suggest you try it out. Like 99-cent store is a place where you can find some really affordable, great products. Let me know if you tried it before. They look really great. I don't use color correctors, but it's something I would get if I needed it from there. It's only $1, so the next thing is from Marshalls, and this is an e.l.f. palette that contains 100 shades, and it retails for $6.99. And it's actually a palette that a lot of people on Instagram enjoyed, and some people said that they found it for cheaper, which is crazy that it was around during like the Christmas months. Yeah, so if you're interested in that, it's actually available at Marshalls. All right, we have a couple more to go and we'll close this video out. So I wanted to talk about Burlington. So if you know Burlington, they are known for like being a coat factory. So recently we started going to Burlington, and there are some Burlington that don't have makeup aisles, but there are a few that do. And when you go to Burlington, they have so many affordable high-end brand makeup. Like, you should definitely check yours out. They have really amazing things, and something that stood out to me was that Ardell, they had like two little palettes. One of them is like a lip palette, and another one is a like one with like eyeshadows. It has lipsticks, it has lashes in there. Really cool, and it retailed for $3.99. The next thing is from Ross, and this is a Paris Hilton Sparkle lipsticks, and it's actually funny because it has like the same packaging as the Pat McGrath lipsticks as well as the Wet n Wild lipsticks, and those retail for $3.99. I believe those are like sparkly lipsticks, so if you don't like that, you know. Something else from Ross that I was tempted by, these last two were actually from Ross. Check out your local Ross, they have some amazing things. The first thing is by Manna Cardar, and they have a mascara there for $2.99. It has an hourglass wand, and if you know me, I love hourglass wands. And if the formula is great, then you know what, I need to pick it up. Only $2.99 isn't bad for mascara, so I did want to check that out. Next thing is also at Ross, and it's a Wet n Wild set that contains 2-in-1 mascaras. $99 for 2 mascaras is pretty good. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. And don't forget that I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. So all the products that I use in today's video will be down below, all the names of the prices, as well as some videos that I uploaded last week. If you want to give those a watch, head down there, and there's some links that I provided. There's also some links to my Instagram. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and head over there. I also have a Facebook makeup page, so if you want to follow me there, that would be amazing as well. It would be so great if you could like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.